Before you drop everything and start shopping for the biggest adventure bike on the market, hear me out. What if one of BMW's smartest motorcycles isn't the massive flagship everyone talks about? What if the real sweet spot has been hiding in plain sight all along? The BMW F 800 GS Adventure might not scream for attention the way the giant touring machines do, but this thing has built a serious reputation among riders who actually rack up miles. And honestly, once you look at what it offers, it's easy to understand why. This bike was designed for people who wake up one morning and decide that pavement is optional. One minute you're cruising down the interstate, the next you're staring at a gravel road wondering where it leads. The F 800 GS Adventure basically says, let's find out. And that's where it gets interesting. BMW didn't try to make this bike the fastest. They didn't try to make it the lightest. Instead, they focused on creating a machine that can handle almost anything you throw at it. At the heart of it sits an 800cc parallel twin engine that delivers smooth, usable power. It's not trying to rip your arms off every time you twist the throttle. Instead, it gives you exactly what adventure riders actually need: strong pull, predictable response, confidence. Whether you're passing traffic on the highway or climbing a rocky trail, that power delivery feels approachable without being boring. And if you've ever ridden a bike that's intimidating after a long day, you'll appreciate what BMW did here. The upright riding position immediately feels natural. The wide handlebars give you leverage. The wind protection helps eat up long stretches of road. And that larger fuel tank means you're spending more time riding and less time hunting for gas stations in the middle of nowhere. Because, let's be honest, nobody buys an adventure bike because they love stopping every hour for fuel. Now here's something riders constantly debate. Is the F 800 GS Adventure better than the bigger GS models? That answer depends on who you ask. Some riders want all the horsepower, electronics, and luxury features money can buy. Others argue this bike is actually closer to what adventure riding should be. Less intimidating, more manageable, still capable enough to take you across states, countries, or places where GPS signals start disappearing. And judging by how loyal F 800 GS owners are, BMW definitely got something right. If you're enjoying this breakdown and you love motorcycle content that gets straight to the point without the nonsense, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next ride we cover. Now let's talk about what really separates this machine from ordinary touring bikes: the suspension setup. Adventure riders know suspension can make or break an experience. Potholes, washboard roads, dirt tracks, unexpected obstacles, they all test a motorcycle's limits. The F 800 GS Adventure was built with those moments in mind. Long travel suspension helps absorb punishment while maintaining control. It encourages exploration because you're not constantly worried about damaging the bike every time the pavement ends. And that's a huge psychological difference. A lot of motorcycles tell you where you can't go. This one keeps asking where you want to go next. Of course, no bike is perfect. Some riders mention that the seat height can be intimidating, especially for shorter riders. Others point out that the overall weight becomes noticeable during slow technical sections off-road. Those are fair criticisms. Adventure bikes always involve compromise. More fuel capacity means extra weight. More touring capability adds bulk. The trick is deciding which compromises fit your riding style. And for many people, the balance BMW struck here feels just right. Now, there's always been speculation within the motorcycle community about how BMW evolves its middleweight adventure lineup. Riders constantly debate what features should stay, what should change, and whether simpler machines are actually better than technology-packed alternatives. Some want more electronics. Others beg BMW not to overcomplicate things, because part of the charm of the F 800 GS Adventure is its honesty. It doesn't pretend to be something it's not. It invites adventure without demanding you be a professional rally racer. You don't need to cross a desert to appreciate it. You can commute during the week, disappear into the mountains on weekends, take that dream road trip you've been postponing for years. That's probably why this motorcycle still gets so much respect. It represents possibility, that feeling that the route home doesn't have to be the only option, that the dirt road you've always ignored might lead somewhere unforgettable. And maybe that's what adventure riding has always been about. Not the destination, not social media photos, not proving anything to anyone. Just curiosity, the willingness to keep going a little farther than planned. The BMW F800 GS Adventure understands that mindset better than most motorcycles ever built. So here's the question. If you had this bike sitting in your garage right now with a full tank of fuel and no obligations tomorrow morning, where would you point the front wheel first? Drop your answer in the comments, because some of the best adventures start with a simple decision to take the road nobody else chose.